Hey everyone, Paul from Surf Coast Travel and Cruise again. Today I want to let you know how to use your Qantas credit. Okay, assuming your flight is not actually cancelled by Qantas, all customers with a Qantas booking for travel from now until 31st of July 2020 are entitled to cancel and retain the value of the ticket in credit. And when you rebook, Qantas will waive the change fee. So you can now get a flight credit valid for booking and travel until the 31st of December 2021. But the flight credit itself must be requested by the 30th of April 2020. So a couple of common questions about how you can use your credit. The new ticket must be used in your name. Essentially, it is a store value amount specifically against the original ticket which was in your name. So you can't split the ticket up into different trips or pull all the credit value together for one big trip or for a family group and use it for one person. The new ticket must be of equal or higher value. If there's a fare difference from the original to the new, this will have to be paid. If the new fare is less, the new ticket will need to be upgraded to a fare that's of equal or higher value and the difference paid if applicable. You can use the ticket for anywhere on the Qantas and partner network, anywhere in the world, domestic or international, but again, the fare must be of equal or higher value. And the new ticket must be reissued and the travel completed by the 31st of December 2021. So please share this if you know anyone with a Qantas ticket and head to surfcoasttravel.com.au for more details. Okay, see you next time.